Can you open it?
I think I could.
Today, we're going to bring in some stove knobs covers, and these are perfect if you have those little babies that are a little curious about things, and sometimes, you know, you don't want them to get in danger by turning one of the appliances on. So what you want to do is make sure you protect those infants that are walking around your house or anybody that's visiting pretty much, and you don't want something like this to ever cause any kind of injuries or anything like that. So this is perfect for those to avoid those situations. We're going to open it up and see what you get, and we'll see how to set it up too. So let's go ahead and take a look. So just to let you guys know, the actual vendor was kind enough to send us this, and of course you get us a group of 6 of these knobs. So this is pretty much a standard for those stoves that are out there that you guys have. And this part right here, you might have to take out the original one and put this in place. All right. So it took me quite a while just to figure it out as an adult to see how it is. I had to go back to the instructions and find out, but just to let you guys know, this is how it works. So once you set up your actual knobs in there, there's the release buttons in here, and you just push the buttons in there. The kids are not going to push the buttons. It's kind of hard to even, you can't even open it this way. You're going to have to just push easy and open and then twist the actual knob. That's how it's going to work. So